Have you ever felt stuck in your career? Like no matter what you do, progress seems slow? Do you know the secret ingredient that separates high achievers from average employees? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T. Today, we shall discuss the concept of ownership and the powerful mindset shift between oar versus bed. Let me clarify. At work, you have a choice between two approaches towards attitude. OR, which stands for ownership, accountability, and responsibility. Or BED, that is blame, excuses, denial. Successful people operate from OR, while those who struggle often fall into BED. So, why is it important to take ownership? When you feel this company, this project, this team is mine, you control your outcomes as if it's all your own. On the other hand, if you blame others, make excuses, or deny responsibility, you stay stuck. Studies show that employees who take ownership are 50% more likely to get promoted faster. I've been training organizations since many years, and I've seen that every workplace has three types of employees based on their sense of ownership. Let's find which one are you. The first one being spark plugs. These are the drivers of success. They take initiative, solve problems, and inspire others. For example, Vanna in sales sees a drop in client engagement. Instead of complaining, she finds creative ways to reconnect, leading to a 20% boost in sales. In the words of Peter Drucker, he says the best way to predict the future is to create it. The second one being zombies, the bare minimum crew. They do just enough to get by, but lack enthusiasm. They live through life with the attitude, बस चल रहा है काम, कट रही है life. Example, Sanyam finishes his work but never looks for improvement. So he stays stuck in the same role for years. Third one are vampires, the energy drainers. They complain, resist change, and bring negativity in the organization. They are so toxic that you don't want to interact with them, as they are always cribbing and complaining. Example, Nayan blames the management for poor results and missed opportunities, but never takes steps to brainstorm and give ideas or improve her own skills. So which one are you? A spark plug, a zombie, or a vampire? Remember, success isn't given, it's taken. When you choose ownership, you control your progress, your career, and your life. Starting today, identify one task where you can take full ownership. No excuses, no blame, just action. Please share your thoughts in the comments box below from which stage you operate, OR or BED. Thanks for watching Minutes Mastery. Stay tuned.